I'm Trudy, and if you're new, welcome. So guys, from the title of the video, you already know that I am going to be doing something again today. So today I'm actually going to challenge myself and try to survive off $7 US. Well, it's like $7.70, which is approximately 50 kwai. Well, it's not approximately. 50 kwai is $7.70 here in China. And I am going to try to survive off that amount for the entire day. So it means that from this sum, I need to eat breakfast, eat lunch, and have dinner as well. Now, it has been raining the entire week here in China. It's very gloomy. You know, one of those days that you just want to sit in your bed, lay in your bed, watch some Netflix, and just chill, you know, and order in. But I'm challenging myself to be outside in the wet, hunting for food. All right, so I mean, it's a bit cold, so I'm gonna grab a jacket and then we're gonna head out, okay? So come along and venture with me. All right, guys, before we go, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment below. Now, let's go. All dressed, have my jacket on, and it's time to go and get some food. So let's get some breakfast.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad.
Alright guys, so in order for me to survive off $7 US, it means that I have to eat street food. So today we'll be eating street food, something that I don't typically do. But I mean, $7 US is like a small sum. So I'm going outside now. I'm going right outside my building. I think there is this place. Well, there's this place on my way to school. I always see the students stop there and getting some food. It looks quite good, so I'm actually going to try that. But it's so wet outside. Oh my gosh.
It's true. It takes two. All I want is tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want.
Hello. So let's see. I need to ensure that I'm spending like approximately 5 kwai on this meal, because remember, this sum needs to last me for the entire day. So let's see what I'm gonna get. Oh, I need to translate this first. Hey, 你好，这是什么？油条。多少钱？2块5。啊？2块5。2块5。Two. Okay. All right. 一个。So when I have one of this, actually I always eat this. I made this at home. It actually tastes like Jamaican festival, so that's it. I'm gonna have this. Let's see what else I'm gonna have. Maybe 9. 这个 2. Alright, so that's 2 RMB. I only have like 3 more kwai to spend. Let's see. 这是什么 What's this? 小笼包。包子。包子。Oh, so this is 包子. It's like steamed bun. 多少钱？6. Oh, 6 kwai for this one. Oh, that's too expensive. That's all for budget. Okay. Hi, 你好。Okay, so this one, 这个是韭菜饼。多少？2.5。2块5。Alright. Okay, so I have. Okay, chicken over by 1 kwai. Not bad. Alright, guys, my garden is just too wet to be sitting out there and having breakfast. The chairs are all wet, as I told you, it's been raining. So yeah, let's open it because, oh yeah, it is milk. So we have soy milk. I paid 2 kwai for this. I have some, let's see if I can pronounce this. Yote. Anyways, yeah, I suck at languages. Oh my gosh. But I need to learn Mandarin though, because this is really good though. This is fried dough. It tastes exactly like festival. Let me not say exactly like festival, but very similar to what we call festivals in Jamaica, which is those long fried dumplings, fried dough. Okay, very crisp. This is so good. Very crisp on the outside. Usually I would eat more than this for breakfast, but I don't eat breakfast. You just skip breakfast and have lunch. But this can definitely keep me full until that time, until we go back outside to have some lunch. Okay, so the only thing that I'm having for the first time here is actually the marinated egg. Oh, it feels very jelly actually. It feels as if there is some liquid inside of it. So this is what the marinated egg looks like. A typical boiled egg, but it's not boiled in water. It's actually boiled in some, I don't know what to call it. Some liquid, I think they have like, I saw a cinnamon leaf in it, so they boil it in some form of liquid. This is good. It's actually salty. This is good. I'm gonna have this more often. It's good. And jigger? Yeah. One eager. Oh, you have to get eager. I have no clue what I'm eating. Okay. Jigger. Okay, stop. Jigger. Okay, shishini. Sugar. Okay. Alright guys, I don't know what I'm eating. Okay. Alright, so I just got some lunch. I don't know what I'm eating. It only cost 16 kwai, so I'm still on track. So I spent 6 kwai for breakfast, and I spent 16 kwai for lunch. So in total, that's like, what is it? No, I can't count. Oh, 22 kwai. So I'm still in budget, and I got a lot of food. Let me show you what I got. I mean, I can actually distinguish some of the food in my plates. I have some broccoli, some cabbage, and some chicken. So let's taste this. So I'm still on track. Like, I'm getting good food for, you know, a little bit of money. So let's try it and see how it actually tastes. It's actually super scrumptious. So this actually looks like some sweet and sour chicken. This is good. This is really good. I have some broccoli. Okay, I'm coming here again. This is really good. quite inexpensive, and the food is good. Very delicious. Yeah. I should have gotten some rice though. That's what I should have done. Definitely should have gotten some rice. Okay, so the next stop is to get bubble tea. Can't complete a meal without bubble tea, some kind of drink. Alright, so I have to maybe get one that's like under 10 RMB, under 10 kwai. So let's see which one I'm gonna get. Okay, so watermelon bubble tea for 8 kwai. It's good. So the final meal will be dinner. So let's see what I'm gonna have for dinner. I basically spent like what, 22 plus 8, that's 30 kwai. So I now have 20 kwai remaining for dinner. Let's see what I can get for 20 kwai for dinner. Yeah, you know, I'm just not in the mood to go back on the street. So yeah, I'm in that mood right now. But I'm gonna continue with the challenge. So I'm just gonna order food. I'm gonna do takeaway. So I'm gonna order the food right now. Okay, I think I might go a little bit over budget just because I have to pay for delivery, but it wouldn't be, you know, I wouldn't exceed the 50 RMB by too much, maybe by like 6 kwai or something like that, or 4 kwai. So I'm gonna go ahead and order some food right now. I think I'm feeling for some fish. There's actually this restaurant that sells really cheap fish meal, like fish and rice for like 19 kwai. I'm not sure if they're still open. I'm gonna check that right now if they're still open. Let me just show you guys what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and order the food. So let's see if they still have, if they're still delivering right now. Hopefully they are. Their spicy fish is really good. So here it is, 19 kwai and 73 cents. I'm gonna get spicy, so that's spicy. And then also see, 20 kwai and 20.773 kwai. So see, I would still be within the budget if I wasn't getting takeaway. So yeah, so let's order that. Oh, guys, guess what? Your girl is not paying for delivery, so I am paying the exact 20 kwai and 73 cents because, as you can see right here, I got a discounted price for the delivery. So I just went over budget by 73 cents. I did it. Woohoo! All right, let me just put my, I did it. Guys, so dinner has arrived, looking very scrumptious. Let me show you. Looking all delightful and yummy, all that pepper stewed. So the fish is stewed, has a lot of pepper and seasoning on it. And then we have some rice here. And I already know, you know, how good this meal is. So I'm not even gonna eat it on camera. But guess what? I completed the challenge and I just went over by 0.73 kwai. So yeah, so I did it. I survived off 50 kwai, $7, basically $8, I guess, $8 US for the day. So alright guys, so I'm gonna dig in right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing, and until next time, goodbye.